If you are facing any type of DLL missing error, then you need to go to the dllfile.com here, and now just click and you need to find out here the DLL file. Just you need to search it from here. Once you will search, then that DLL file you will got, and basically you need to install the DLL files which is according to your operating system, like 64-bit, 32-bit. And after installing, there you will also find a documentation how you can replace the previous file or add the DLL file, missing file in your system. Okay, so now how you will install the missing DLL file after downloading the DLL file from this site dllfile.com. So first step is to extract, means if you will download, then that will be in the zip file, so you need to extract it. After extracting, the second step is to go to the C Windows system, and if you are using a Windows 10, then you need to go, means almost similar setting are available. After going to system 32, for example, if I will go OS and system 32, you can see here Windows, you can see here this is a system 32, and basically you no need to do anything here because this will be hamper your operating system functionality, because this is very important file. So you need to go there, and you can see there are lots of DLL already available, so you need to do certain thing according to documentation. And the third step is, you can see that, so one important note here, that whenever you are placing your DLL file after downloading, make sure you take the backup, because this is very important. If certain DLL will not work after downloading, then you just need to you can replace with your backup, then it will be better. So before doing anything, just backup, means you just copy and kept it anywhere, and after replacing you see that your issue is fixed or not. So let's go to the other document, step 3. So basically this is the final step, I think, where you need to open the command prompt. Okay, so how you will open the command prompt, just here type here the CMD, and then right click and then run as administrator. Once you will click here, then you can see here that in this way the command prompt will open. You need to run certain command, so it is written here that regsvr32 and then file name, and then press enter. Okay, so one important thing is there, that you need to first and foremost you need to navigate to the CD command. So if you use the CD command, C Windows and something like that, and here you need to provide your file name. For example, the step 3 is the absolutely right. Here you need to use this command and then C/Windows. So for more information, you can also follow this documentation. This is very clear. And one important note here, after doing all this step, you need to reboot your system. Once you will reboot your system, means turn off and then turn on, then you will see that your DLL missing problem will be resolved. So I hope it will be resolved, and if you will face any problem, then definitely comment me. I will try to resolve. So thank you.